How to fix suspended Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your suspended Instagram account. So recently, Instagram is suspending most of the users' account. So if your account is also suspended, follow these steps and your account will be unsuspended. So my account was also suspended a few hours ago, but since I followed the steps, I got my account back and it works fine. So first of all, your page will look somewhat like this. So what you have to do to unsuspend your account is simply tap on the option disagree with decision. Now it will ask you to confirm that it's actually you, so you'll have to complete a captcha and prove that you are not a robot. After that, it will ask you to enter your phone number and your country code, so simply type in your country code. Mine is +977 since I live in Nepal, and you'll have to enter your country code as well. After you have entered your country code, enter your phone number and then tap on next. After that, Instagram will send you a verification code on your phone number and simply type in the verification code Instagram has sent you. Now, once you've entered the code and then tap on next, in most cases your account will be back, but in some cases they will say they will review your account and you will gain access to Instagram within 24 hours. So if you wait 24 hours, you will be successfully able to use your Instagram account again and it will be suspended. So that is basically how you fix Instagram suspended account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.